2024 Chevy 2500 High Country. Going on a McGaughys lift kit, 26x14 KG1s and 37-inch Furies. We got another one almost finished up today. 2024, this is the first new body style Silverado 2500 I think we've actually done like a really nice lift on and stuff. And I have to say it, I think that the front end on the Chevy looks better than the GMC, even though all you see on my channel is a GMC typically. This one got the 7 to 9 inch McGaughys lift kit. Pretty standard thing we do here. It allows you to fit up to a 37 on a 26x14 like this. An upgrade he bought for this kit is the McGaughys upper control arms. This is a 37 14 50 26 Fury MT, and the wheel is a 26x14 KG1. Dang, I just went blank. Vile, I'm so sorry. KG1 Vile. Very, very nice wheel. Overall, I think the truck looks awesome. Another thing that I've noticed, the last 3 or 4 of the McGaughys kits we've put on these trucks come with black rear shocks. In fact, right out of the box. I'm not really sure why they did that, but I kind of like the way it looks. Overall, the stance on the truck is amazing. Drove all the way from Michigan to be here for this one, in and out in one day. Tagged for proof. Truck in here today is all the way from Louisville, Kentucky. 2022 Silverado 1500, getting a 6-inch rough country lift. He brought some 26x14 Savage wheels. I haven't never seen those before. And some 35, 1350, 26 Fury. As long as it's a good set of wheels as far as quality goes, we should have a good riding truck. The Furies are awesome, as you know. 26x14 and 35 looks amazing together. This truck is going to be very nice once it's done.
Got it.
Rain or shine, we out here working. In and out today. The truck all the way from Louisville, Kentucky. Looks really, really nice. Went with the 6-inch rough country lift kit. This is a Trail Boss, so it's actually a 4-inch lift kit, but it measures out to a 6, just like a regular Silverado. 26x14. It's a Savage off-road. I'm not super familiar with this brand, but I don't mind it. It looks really good on the truck. With the ever popular 35, 13, 50, 26 Fury MTs. They have that perfect stretch to me on a 26x14 to still keep the safety and everything, but it still looks like it's stretched a little. Very, very nice look. I appreciate everybody for watching, and I appreciate you guys driving from so far away to let us build your trucks. Thank you.